Here's everything you need to know about how to spot mold in your home and what to do when you find it. There are a few telltale signs of mold growth to look out for. You might see visible moldy spots, notice a musty smell, or experience respiratory symptoms like wheezing or itchy eyes. There are thousands of varieties of mold out there, but here are 4 common ones you might see in your home. First, there's Cladosporium. This mold often appears in shades of green, brown, gray, or even black. You'll typically find these in surfaces like wood, carpets, or anything else that retains moisture. Ever left food out a little too long and seen a bluish green fuzz? That's likely penicillium. While it's known for spoiling food, it can also pop up on damp walls, floors, and carpets. Alternaria is often the culprit behind allergies. It prefers grow on colder surfaces like tiles, bricks, or even wallpaper. Black mold is the one that you may have heard the most about. Black mold is toxic and potentially dangerous to both humans and pets. It has a greenish-black hue and tends to grow near areas with water damage. Identifying toxic mold can be tricky, since there's other types that also appear black. So it's always best to treat all mold with caution. What do you do if you find mold lurking in your home? For light mold growth, the CDC recommends cleaning the affected area with a bleach solution. But white vinegar might also do the trick. But just getting rid of the mold isn't enough. Where there's mold, there's moisture. To eradicate your mold issue and to prevent other problems like leaks or foundation damage, you need to waterproof your basement or encapsulate your crawl space. That means improving drainage and ventilation with sub pumps, dehumidifiers, and vapor barriers to keep your water and moisture out. Call Groundworks for a free basement inspection today.